Today is a new day. We're going to take a little trip out on Rimrocker Road, which eventually ends up at Moab. So you can go from Montrose to Moab up over the top. It's a gravel road. Here's the end of the tar. We're going to let the air out of the tires and go up there and do a little exploring. Some of the trails did not open until July 1st, and it's the 6th today. So we're going to go look at those and see what's up. Look at this trail. It's good for mountain bikes. It goes right along the cliff down here. See the road, Rimrocker Road down there. It's quite a trail to be on with a mountain bike, and there are tracks on it. It's freshly traveled. Look at that on the edge there. Way down in the valley there is the Rimrocker parking lot. They got the extreme rock crawler trail here. Trails follow the valley here. Rim Road. That still is the Rimrocker Road that heads to Moab. It's pretty heavily traveled compared to the other roads around here. This is just another little canyon that you go over. We're about 15 miles up on the Rimrocker Trail now, and we're at about 9,000 feet, and it has started to open up to large meadows, and the wind is really blowing. And look at this fluffy grass. Wow, they should sell this in the greenhouse. This is like silk. It's so fluffy. And all these flowers that are blooming. They'll be wiggling in the wind, but you get the idea. Little purplies. There, we got up into the trees, and it's a lot colder up here, a lot colder. And here's a trail just for us, just for motorcycles. July 1st through Labor Day, and it's July 6th. So we're at the beginning of the season here. Here's the opening to the trail. If you fit through this little V thing here, they let you come in here. Well, we went on it for a little bit there, about a quarter mile, and it's like riding in a rain gutter. This section here ain't too bad, but some parts the foot pegs rub all the time. It's so wore down from all the riders and the erosion that it's hard to ride. But this is what it's like through the woods. Lots of aspen trees, pine trees. I think we'll go back out on the road. Can you hear the flies? You know why there's so many flies? Because there's so many sheep. We found them. There's babies there. Listen, can you hear them? Look at that. I said there was 1,000 sheep. There just might be, because I'm not seeing all of them to the left of me in the woods. Huh, that's really cool. So this is where they spend their summers. Way up high, almost 10,000 feet. And there's so much vegetation. Look at the grass. And there's lots of flies, and the dirt's all black. And I wonder why. Look at this. Look at these nice black mud puddles. Sheep walk all over here. So they're making natural black dirt. We're trying out the parallel trail number 139. It's way up here by the ranger station. And it was fun. It's wide enough for they allow the four-wheelers, the little ATVs. Nothing wider than that though. And this is our style of trail. It's easy to ride on the motorbike. Except we got to the point where it's running off. And that's where we quit. We don't need to get all muddied up. There's more trails. We'll try some other ones. But it goes right through the woods and it's all black dirt here. And it smells like sheep doo-doo. Rimrocker Trail Road. We're way up there. It's not too much further. We're up at the tree line. Look at that. That's a long ways down there. It's quite a little bend. Mile marker 7. 7 miles. Back down the hill again. We got the balls on the power line so airplanes don't hit them. Pretty good. And then up some dust busters. Wow. Look at that, it's making dust. But as you can see, it's popular out here. Pump up the tires. We're going to try 25 pounds in them for the ride back to town. See how that rides. That's really hard compared to what we're used to.